Beautiful girls all over the world I could be chasing, but my time would be wasted. They got nothing on you, baby. Nothing on you, baby. Fancy meeting you alone in the crowd. Couldn't help.
Sa habang buhay, makapiling ka, makasama ka, yan ang panalangin ko. At hindi papayag ang pusong ito.
If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. Don't be mad when you say that he wants it. If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. Don't be mad when you see that he wants it. If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it.
Now that I have you, everything just seems so right.
Kung si Kuya JR at si Ate Licia ay adobo, sila yung masabaw. Nakakalunod sa sarap.
Hi, Ate Lish and Kuya J! Congratulations! If we were to compare you sa adobo, for me, ito dahil may toyo and suka. Bakit?
Bakit?
Kasi obvious naman. At saka, because they complement each other. Wow!
Obvious naman dyan!
Ito naman. Pero sa akin naman, paminta at saka asukal. Oh, bakit? Obvious naman. Paminta at saka asukal. Ano? Maanghang at matamis. Oo, pero hindi yung maanghang. Nawala na yung anghang na paminta na dumating yung asukal eh. Yay! Oo, sinsitan sila eh. At ikaw, Ale,
Sa akin, baboy at chicken.
bakit?
Hindi ko alam. Bakit pareho silang masarap?
Yun eh.
Magkasama sila, masarap sila tignan.
Yeah!
Cheesy, no?
Kuya Jen, Ate Lish, we all both wish the both of you a good life and we will always include you in our prayers. We love you and God bless you. Give us lots of little JRs and little Lish. Pwedeng little Lish na lang, huwag ng little JRs. Okay. Kasi nakakatakot. Little Lish na lang!
Anong adobo? Bakit adobo? Ano ba ang adobo?
Hindi ako rin magluto, hindi ko alam yan.
Maasim? Maasim. Maalali. Sa adobo, sa tingin ko, syempre suka at toyo.
Maasim. Ay sila.
Alam na natin kung
May bawang sibuyas.
May bawang at sibuyas. Sino yun? Ayun, ang toyo. May toyo! Alam naman kung bakit, di ba? So, ang suka, alam na natin na si maputi eh. Si maputi. Eh, yung toyo, ay tayo naman, kakataan lang.
Ang paminta.
Paminta. Hindi paminta ba? May anghang ba yun?
Wala.
Asim lang. Asim lang.
Yung relationship ni JR and Lish, parang ano yun eh, parang sweet and, kung i-compare natin sa adobo, parang sweet and spicy. Parang yung luto niya lang. Ganun.
Oo, tapos habang tumatagal, tapos paulit-ulit lang yung pagkain habang tumatagal lalong sumasarap.
Hey, relationship ni Ate Lisha at saka ni Kuya JR compare sa adobo, para silang adobong tuyot. Pero, kahit ganon, masarap silang painit mo araw palagi, lagi mo silang papainit para habang pinapait mo palagi lalo sumasarap. Yun lang, di ba? Tama.
Ano pang gusto mo sa adobo?
Gusto ko yung manamis-namis.
Sweet. Si JR, tsaka si Lisha.
Tsaka yung combination chicken, tsaka pork.
Pwede, kahit magkaiba, masarap magkasama. Kasi, ano pa, last.
Tsaka may taba.
May taba, paano yun?
Then, nandun ang lasa.
Pwede.
Sige, pag mayabang mo na adobo mo.
Hindi ko pinagmamayabang yung adobo ko kung nagsasabi na ako ng totoo.
Sige, go.
Kasi marami naman nagsasabi na pinakamasarap na adobo na tikman nila yung adobo ko.
Sige, describe your adobo. What's in it?
Hindi ko sasabihin yung ingredients ko, but it's very basic, but it's in the manner of cooking. And it's
Manner of cooking.
And the love that I put in.
The love that you put in.
Yes. Bakit? Ang adobo ko, maanghang na matamis at sobrang malapot. Sabi pa nga ng kapatid ko, sauce pa lang, ulam na, kahit iwanan mo na yung chicken sa yung pork.
Natikman mo na ba adobo ko?
Hindi pa, kasi hindi ko kayang pantay yung adobo ko, kaya naghiyakan kung luto ako ng adobo.
Masarap ang adobo ko.
Bakit?
Adobo ko traditional.
Bakit traditional naman yung adobo ko
Maasim na medyo may bite na ang
masarap pa yung adobo. Kung sabi mo, ilalaban mo yung adobo ko kasi pwede natin pagkakitaan.
Yeah,
Ganun
kasi
siya
put a
kasarap.
different taste in adobo.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah.
Mas masarap yung adobo ko.
Masarap ilang adobo.
Masarap din. Pero mas masarap ang adobo.
Sige na, sabi mo eh. Ito na lang. We'll stick to her ingredient. I will be the one to infuse the new ingredient of her adobo.
Like what?
We'll put coconut milk, bok choy, and fresh mango to finish your adobo.
Iyo ko nga ang bok choy, di parang naging Japanese adobo o Chinese adobo.
Sige, di pechay.
Sige. May pechay sa adobo.
So,
Adobo may gulay.
we'll put an Asian twist on her adobo.
May gata. Sige, gata parang ako doon. Eh di gusto mo, instead na brown black pepper, di gumamit ka ng chili.
No, not parang.
Bakit? Eh kasi nilagyan mo ng gata, didagdagan mo na ng sili.
Parang ang Bicol Express nun.
Feeling ko yung gata bagay sa sili.
We put pepper.
Sige.
Yan.
This is the first day of my life. Swear I was born right in the doorway. I went out in the rain, suddenly everything changed. They're spreading blankets on the beach. Yours is the first face that I saw. I think I was blind before I met you. And I don't know where I am, I don't know where I've been, but I know where I want to go. And so I thought I'd let you know. Yeah, these things take forever, I especially am slow. but I realized that I need you, and I wondered if I could come home.